I'll guide you through how to rig character in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender on your computer. In the program, you will see the Blender Studio panel. In a new file, click General. Delete the preset cube, then go to File, choose Import, select Wavefront, and click Import Wavefront Object. Next, go to Edit, open Preferences, and in the Add-ons section search for Rigify and activate it. Press Shift+A, click Armature, then select Rigify Meta Rigs and choose Human. Scale the meta rig to match the size of the character. In Edit mode, delete any rig parts you do not need. Open the sidebar, go to the Tool tab, check X-axis mirror, and align the meta rig with the character. Select the character and the meta rig. Press Ctrl+P and choose with automatic weights. Press Ctrl+A and select all transforms. Select the rig, go to the Properties panel under Data, and click Generate Rig. Select the character and the rig again, press Ctrl+P, and choose with automatic weights.